Me, Snowy Dude here, and this dude, my brother, Flutter, Slide. This is the first time I've ever did, this is the first time, like, playing as Flutter, or maybe it's the second. Yeah, this is the second time. And Flutter and Flight duo run. Let's go. I'm scared. Okay, back. There we go. Let's go. Let me just drink some water. Oh, let me just drink some yogurt.
But you don't have the trinkets for distraction.
Oh, I don't care. I still can distract, you know.
No, you can't.
See? Still can distract.
Sure about that.
Okay, you distract.
It's fine, I get. Get over it.
I extract.
There are tons of weird things.
Cosmo, go check the Cosmo.
Noodles, stars,
Cosmo's coming.
Are they all
There's
really
a
just
medkit right here. You want it?
Besides, it's not the only planet in our solar system full of
You
mysterious
Let's
check them out.
Yes, really.
Maple syrup? Where's
Recently, we found a strange thing on Mars that
shoot,
looks
never
like a
mind, never mind.
spoon-like
Maple
object.
syrup.
It grabbed everyone's attention.
Trash!
Curiosity rover spotted it
Trash!
with a handle on
just
the tip. Looks like
extract
it's floating in the
machines.
rover's photo.
Okay, but you keep bringing it to
I really
me.
need it anymore, bro. I'm still
Some are
faster
joking
than
that it's a
you.
Martian bowling pin, or even a ship
they have speedy
by
shoes.
extraterrestrial creatures. But
Bro,
Andrew
I have
Good
all
from
the
NASA
twisted
says it's
with
not
me. They
that
don't
exciting.
need that.
Turns out it's a rock shaped by the wind.
Technical difficulties. We're gonna do another reset.
Action that
Okay, guys, I changed my trinket, not
So this tiny
Steve.
thing,
Pick
something
both
dog,
dog.
and an entire
Oh,
lawsuit against
continue.
NASA.
Let's continue.
Claim that the
Will
agency
this-
failed to investigate a
Me, I
fungus
usually just change my trinket. If I change my trinket for no reason, then we talk.
Hey, Cosmo.
Cosmo, give me him.
but not all
Cosmo, Poppy's here.
Another puzzling
Yo,
discovery
give me
was
Cosmo.
perseverance rover's fault.
Oh, Juke
It's something that looks
Tango.
They're really getting close, you know.
Just like the donut.
And right now, I'm here just trying to
Hurry up.
Vanished from the sandy ground.
relax.
You know
I might
what?
have 4-star
Turns
skill
out
check.
that it could
I
be free from the
mean,
rover's
4-star
landing system.
extraction speed. But still gonna
Perseverance
take
landed in
long.
the Jezero
You know what? I'm gonna be
crater
roaming
behind
around like you.
Yeah, just don't
Accidentally
farm.
scattered debris.
Yeah.
Some
Eyes
pieces
on
of
the
debris
road.
has been showing up in the rover's images for a while.
Kinda want to distract
The string-like
Sprout,
object is likely a
District
piece
Sprout,
of
or
shredded
Waxwell.
diagrammatic, which is the type
Oh, you can't distract Waxwell, bro.
I know, he just runs away, but I can still get research.
during this
Yeah, sure.
process.
I wanna distract.
Hell no, nose goes to Waxwell.
I wanna distract
By the way, there's a...
I said I want.
Okay, fine, you can, but I distract all the mains. There's one right here.
Thermal blankets lost
Well,
a
why are
bunch
you
of stuff
there?
that day. For example, this shiny coil piece spotted in the rover found it on a rock.
Man, look forever says, tell me how you stand,
I actually reached floor 21 with this specific tune.
When it's your name, I'm looking for her since you walked away. Running through my mind, running through my head. Every other sense is now we met.
Can you stop
Tell me
that?
have you seen?
However,
Have you seen the girl in the green dress?
crash on Mars.
She says good life, we all do get to stay. I'm focused on everyone. Say don't do no run. Check out
Walk them.
Wallow flats.
Whenever you're in panic mode, you can never
I'm
outrun.
1, 2, 3, ton.
I'll distract.
So far, NASA isn't overly worried about it.
You can't outrun being twisted with. You can't out.
But if
walk-
there's Waxwell, I distract him.
you can't outwalk a twisted when you're in panic mode.
I forgot there was panic mode.
Captured something that looked like a rat.
Sprint.
Some sort of
You have dash, you know. You can just dash
Oh, I
away.
forget.
But curiosity.
I have.
But the
I
Mars
can fly
rover,
with
once
you.
again, turned out to be just a weird
Really?
bug.
Yeah.
It gives me
Because of the
some
natural
anime.
I'll
processes
just
like
drag.
erosion and
Okay.
mechanical
But
abrasion.
I don't have
We
the
also found some
trinkets.
work.
So
One right there.
Curiosity snapped a picture of a formation
Oh, nah, me too.
radiating across the Martian landscape.
yeah.
Despite its tiny size,
Where
this formation
is-
stands
oh,
out with its unique shape and rough texture.
Oh, great.
It's probably
Great.
made of durable material resistant to Mars's harsh erosion.
Ah,
And finally,
Mr.
our top
Skeleton?
mysterious finding is the base on Mars.
bing,
Sidonia is a region on Mars that has both scientific
Oh.
and popular interest.
more like beautifully remove sin. I say one like, oh, me, I am the one.
Plains to the north. There's a theory that the northern plains may have once been ocean beds. Maybe Sidonia was once a coastal zone. This place is full of
I'm
interesting
over distracted while you're
that
over
tell
there
us a lot
singing.
about the history.
Wait, guys.
Can you look?
If Michael Jackson died in 2006 and 2009,
This thing
then how did he
gained
perform the
widespread
movie
attention when it was snapped
in
by the Viking
2026?
1876.
It's just a conjoined, bruh.
Is Michael Jackson still alive?
Civilization.
That's just a
NASA dismissed it as a trick.
He's not alive, he died. It's
But
just
after
a
some
movie.
analysis, it turned out
It's
to
just
be.
a bro.
But how did he post it on
We also
2026?
saw a
Lock
face
in.
I don't see any koan.
Get out of the broken elevator. I have to twist
In an
it.
image,
Please, Pete, I need this. Mama, I finally see one.
with two craters
I see the last
Oh,
one.
that
and
you
a
did
V-shaped
the closest
collapsed
one.
structure like the
The
nose.
elevator?
The
Yep.
head, like the
You're supposed to
because
do it
something had
last.
settled on
I
top of
forgot.
a hole in the ground.
But luckily I have
The
dash.
hole was filled with either lava or mud.
I'm lucky I have a
feature
speed.
is speculated to
Coming
be a
up for me.
volcanic or mud vent.
I'm going in circles.
But why do we keep seeing these strange things on Mars? Sometimes our brains can trick us into seeing things like faces or objects in rocks and other things. But these are just illusions called pareidolia. Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon that makes us see familiar patterns or shapes, especially faces, where none actually exist.
I see you.
It's because the brain encounters something it doesn't recognize or understand right away. It tries to find things that look the most like
Bro, you
this.
better hide.
So it sees either patterns, textures, or sounds
Oh,
as something
it's right next to the
and
elevator.
recognize it. That's why a chair and clothes on it seems like a super creepy
Yeah.
human-like
Watch
being at
this.
Hear recognizable sounds, even words,
Blank
let
graph.
them know.
Oh no, yeah, that's
It's a
one.
fascinating
Decrease.
proof of the
Oh no.
Decrease.
No,
Also,
this.
be careful with it, and not let our imagination run wild. This isn't
The
what
trick is last
No,
second.
it wasn't built by the Mayans.
You need to vote
Oh,
last
I
second
wanted
to get your vote.
Bro, I wanted to fly over the muddy
People
puddles.
first noticed this structure in
Jumping in muddy puddles.
shared images of it.
We'll get your muddy paddles soon
Scientists
enough.
think that the shape
I got
might
twisted
be
with
artificial.
If there's Waxwell, I'll do it.
On the red planet that could
Go
build
get
just
waxed.
like
If there is Roxwell.
and
He's
before you
literally here. You don't hear the
pictures are
flames.
real.
Oh no, never mind. It's
spacecraft
cosmo.
took them from orbit in 2001.
And who's the other one? Oh.
Four spacecraft captured this area. One of the
Oh,
hot.
on NASA's Mars reconnaissance orbit.
I'm gonna go to you. What's your? Oh no, you have 4. I
The
don't
first
know.
collapsed the structure in
Or what?
I have lower
like a
stuff
three-sided
than
pyramid.
you.
The wind
But you might still get caught though.
a sharp shape stands out.
Caught
Ah,
Better run with
The pyramid starts blending in with the terrain. See?
technical
We'll do another one.
Wind and
Yes.
erosion shape with two times.
Guys, we're not doing a flutter and flight only one.
We're
We're doing
circus duo.
Yeah,
Where
we're doing
rocks break
circus
apart
duo.
and slide down the slopes,
Yes.
My brother's gonna be Louis, I'm gonna be Yato.
which makes some flights.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video. I'm too laggy. I can't even extract properly. It's literally called Floor Zero, so yeah. This is the end of the video.
You mean literally?
Literally end of the video. Like literally. So, Snowy Dude here. And
How far seismic
I mean,
like
it
and
is
subscribe.
working.
Snowy Dude.
analysis of this crater
Peace.
revealed that